we've basically cancelled most tutorials, most lectures. There's an awful lot of labs that have been teaching labs that have been suspended. In fact, I did have to go into the building. I did cross the picket line because I've got a piece of equipment that's in trouble. And actually, it's a bit of a ghost town.
I think that the last thing that people will not do is unfortunately their research, because if I want to be promoted, I have to demonstrate that and one of those ways of being promoted is by demonstrating your research. If I'm not doing it today, I can't have that time back.
I think that young people will see that it's a much less attractive profession. You know, the fact that the lower pay is not offset by other benefits like a nice pension package, flexible working. As these things are phased out, you're going to lose all that talent, all those people who would have chosen this profession because it did have certain benefits even though it was paid less. You're going to lose those people to industry, to other areas, and that is a crying shame, and we shouldn't let that happen to our universities.
Well, I think there will have to be some form of compromise. I'm hoping that we'll move to negotiation very quickly, because I really don't like being out here, not because it's cold, but because I've got students in there who need my support, want to come to the teaching that I'm offering, want to come to the laboratory, and unfortunately I can't offer that today because I need to be out here.